When Eric first arrived at the CGI Center, he could barely see. Severe myopia and astigmatism had caused a retinal detachment in his right eye. At just 23, he was suddenly in darkness.
Pero dahil nga dun sa naging condition or naging problem ng eye ko, instead of helping out, parang I feel like I become a burden to the family, which is hard din po para sa akin.
After his father passed away 3 years ago, his mother supported 4 children by running a small food stall. Eric would wake up early to help and also worked part-time delivering food, all while doing well in school. But he lost his sight just as he was about to earn his degree.
Or hindi po namin kayang din na gano'ng sobrang kalaki. Tapos babayaran po namin yun for 3 years. Magbabayad kami ng 3,000 monthly.
A friend introduced him to Sigi, which offered to perform the surgery for free. When his vision returned, he couldn't wait to share his drawings.
Nandun po talaga yung hospitality ng Chuchi Eye Center Foundation dito sa Santa Mesa, Manila. Yung mainit na pagtanggap nila sa mga nangangailangan ng medical needs, lalo na sa mata.
Now that his vision has been restored, he can help with the family business again and has regained hope for the future. Whether continuing his studies or becoming a teacher, he hopes to give back. His mother is reassured and believes their lives are getting back on track.
Malaki ang pinagbago kasi noon hindi pa siya inoperahan, nagkaroon siya ng parang anxiety. Marami siyang worry. So ngayon nakikita ko sa kanya na marami na siyang pangarap. Yung walang pag-asa dati. Marami na siyang pangarap ngayon, marami na siyang gustong gawin.
ITV reports.